To make besan laddu, 2.5 cups of gram flour or besan, 1 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of semolina, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, and 1 stick of butter. Gram flour and semolina. First we will dry roast on a low medium heat. Now we will add melted butter to this. We're still roasting it. So we just added half a tablespoon of butter more, and now you can see how it started to become sticky and it's coming together. This is what we need. So now we are going to add cardamom powder at this point. So now this has all come together. You can see this shows it's been roasted nicely, and when you pat on it you can see the shine, the gloss of the butter, which is very important. So now we have turned off the heat and we'll let it cool down a little bit. So now it has cooled down a little bit and we will add sugar. So now this mixture is ready. Now we'll just make laddus of it. Grab a handful of mixture from the top as it will be a little cooler and start making the laddus by pressing it tight in your hands, just like that. They're coming together. Press it nicely to give it a nice shape. That's it.